Look at these beautiful belts that I got for my husband. It's a 2-pack set and it comes in that nice box. And it's also adjustable too, which is really nice. And check it out. You get a black one as well as a brown one. And look at that stitching and detail. Beautiful. And this is what the carbon fiber belt looks like. And also the back of it looks like that. And it has indentations on where you should cut it and then re-clamp it. And this is what the brown belt looks like. And also the back of it. Very nice. Top quality. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.